absolutely nothing to do with alcohol, but in the airstill I'm going to put in basically a massive load of spearmint and some wild garlic that was growing. Very good and high vitamin C. This is some leaves from my pepper plant. A nice big chili pepper, these are the hot ones. And a load of aloe vera. It's also going to get minced up and chucked into my airstill. Due to my injuries, I can't walk. Yeah, I ran a walking stick. I ride a bike, I just can't walk. So I can't go foraging for what I want. It's literally what I've got around the house. So, ton of spearmint, wild garlic, chili peppers growing on the wither ledge. What else was in there? Aloe vera, and some brambles. Lots of nice vitamin C, which is really good for your immune system. Basically, what I'm going to do is put this through the still, put it in a little squirty bottle, and have it as a skin treatment. Because I live in a house with gas in it, even though I don't use the gas, I get very dry skin, which everyone gets if you're in a house with gas. It's simple. The molecules of gas are smaller than the molecules of the pipe it goes through, therefore it leaks out. Not enough to kill you, but enough to dry your skin out. So this should be a really good skin treatment. After I've made it, it goes in a bottle. I'm going to add some tea tree oil. Halfway through distilling, I remembered I've got some old oranges. So I'm going to give them a rinse, take the peel, chop up the peel, and chuck it down as well. Zesty goodness. Nom, 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 nom. The smell in here of mint, chili, and oranges is awesome. Right, this is the end result. The goopy stuff at the top is vegetable oil. So give it a quick shake before you use it. Da, 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 da. The white stuff is a little bit of moisturizer, literally about a teaspoon of moisturizer. Maybe 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 10 drops of tea tree, along with all the other stuff. And it is a really, really good skin treatment. I've got like chunks coming out my scalp from the gas in this place, which is a very common thing in this country. Anybody's got a gas in their house, they will get chunks of skin coming out due to the gas in the air. And this, the tea tree stops the itching, and it basically, it's magic, it's brilliant. I use it on my arms, my scalp, other places. And yeah, you're talking maybe £1 for electric to use the airstill, but the ingredients are pretty much free. The only ingredient I actually paid for was tea tree. The rest of it I got for nothing. Oh yeah, the moisturizer is to moisturize, add extra fluid, and the vegetable oil creates a layer so you don't lose the fluid.